Hey guys, Sidon TV here. What you doing? Today, I am about to show you how to remove the graphics card, cleaning, and reinstallation later. First off, we will remove the screw that is supporting at the back of our PC cover. Once it is removed, we have to press the button at the motherboard so the graphics card can be released, and that's how it is. It's very easy. You can do it guys too. Now it's cleaning time. As you guys know, even your room has an AC, the dust will always come in, so it can penetrate your PC cover no matter how vacuum it is. By cleaning, you can use vacuum cleaner on it, tissue, or use toothbrush or new toothbrush, or whatever means of cleaning it, so you can maintain a good performance on your PC parts. Once it is cleaned, you can just return it back normally, as you can see in the video. And just like that, then we have to return the bracket support at the back of your PC case, and we are done. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.